Michael Klassen seemed relieved to talk.
Get him, Bo, get him.
Allegedly led to a headache for his ex-girlfriend. The 25-year-old is accused of, among other things, posting private pictures of his ex-girlfriend on a website devoted to harassing exes. He is facing charges of harassment and stalking, the first defendant in Denver to fall under the so-called revenge porn law, which went into effect July 1st.
I didn't actually ever think she'd come across them. They were just more of an outlet for me. An outlet, how so? I don't really know. It made me feel better.
Made him feel better then, not so good now.
I don't think I acted real well.
The arrest affidavit says some of the allegations took place after the couple's breakup, including allegedly slashing her car tires and leaving a strip of nails on her Madison Street driveway.
The allegation is that he posted the image for the purpose of harassing someone on that first day, on July 1st.
The Denver DA's office says the law sends a tougher message to those who take revenge public.
This will help us go forward when there are allegations that someone has taken an intimate photo of someone and posted it up on the internet, strictly to embarrass them without their permission.
Can't see him. Throw him back on the couch.
I wish both of us would have handled it more humanely.
Moviegoers and critics alike giving two opposing thumbs for Dawn of the Planet of the Apes. It's the #1 movie at this weekend's box office. Fox 2's Lee Thomas tosses some of the movie stars.
You give him a chance.
Dawn of the Planet of the Apes is the sequel that explains how the war between humans and apes began. And the global premiere for the film was at the Palace of Fine Arts Exhibit Hall in San Francisco. I was sitting behind you guys, about right behind you during the premiere. You guys seem to be having a good time. I saw you taking a couple of selfies.
I can complain. You know, so I try and sort of embrace it and have fun. I take pictures for the kids, and I was in before the show started. I was sort of like taking pictures of the kids, and yeah, it's great. It's wonderful seeing it through their eyes.
Gary Oldman, Kerry Russell, and Jason Clarke all play humans in the film. But the most amazing part of these movies is the computer-generated primates. What's really there? What are you really looking at?
Well, we do a number of takes. We do one with all the apes, or even one with whoever touches me, say, and then the final one is just me on my own with a red dot on a fishing wire, which is the clean plate, which is usually my side or our side.
So you have multiple takes.
Grab your water. Grab your water.
It's an amazing way to work. It's really good. I wanted to do this job to work with what is like the edge of technology and motion capture, and with a guy like Andy Serkis and Terry Notary, people that are taking it to a new frontier, and it really asks you to rise to the occasion. You've really got to meet it, and you've really got to trust your instincts and go for it. Otherwise, you'll stand there with egg on your face, or you'll stand there as one of those actors that I'm doing nothing because I'm not sure what's going to be making in.
Dawn of the Planet of the Apes earned $73 million in its opening weekend and pushed Transformers Age of Extinction out of the top spot. That came in second, earning $16.5 million this weekend. And last but not least, the comedy Tammy came in third with nearly $13 million.
Where's Kitty, Bill? Where's Kitty? Where's Kitty? Where's Kitty? Where's the kitty? Where's Kitty? Where's Kitty? Where's Kitty? Get him! Get him!
Over here.
Get him! Where's he at? He's making fun of you. He's making fun of you. He said you ain't shit. You ain't nothing. She said you ain't nothing. He said stay. He said stay. He's telling what you do, telling you what to do. He said stay. He's saying stay. What you gonna do, Bella? What you gonna do? Where's the kitty? Get the kitty. Get the kitty. Get the kitty. Where's the kitty? Where's the kitty? Where's the kitty? Where's the kitty? Kitty. Get him. He said stay. He said stay.
When I was finding health coverage for my family on my own, it was very confusing choosing a health plan. When I contacted Blue Cross, they were great.
Be nice.
All the questions and guided me to a health plan that's perfect for my whole family. She ain't gonna hurt them. Blue Cross took away the confusion. They helped me when I needed it most.
Expert guidance from Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan. Confidence comes with every card.
Many of us are
Hey, easy, Belle. Easy.
makes that easy.
Play nice. Play nice. Bella.
Brought to you by Ford Health System. Together, we can.
And the nightcap, an 8-year-old Minneapolis boy
Bella
loves to play
moved the
piano, so
table.
he put on a free concert for neighbors. He's not a prodigy, but educated. He has a huge following.
There's a sign in the front yard, so I took a photo of it, put it on Facebook and stuff all over. Turned into this crazy viral. I think everyone's in for a real treat.
You wake up at 4 in the morning and ask, can I go in front of the house and stop people to tell them about my concert?
When people see something that's really cute and heartwarming that people from different walks of life can get behind, I can see why it took off.
Belle, you're so sweet. You're so sweet, Bubble.
Also streamed live on the web. About 10,000 people tuned in. Pretty cool.
I was waiting for brown-eyed girl. There you go. Let's check the numbers. It's still very nice out there. Indian City Airport, nice in Troy, Pontiac 75 and non-clouds. But here's that 7-day forecast. A chance for a couple of stray showers tomorrow and Tuesday, but then a very nice stretch of weather Wednesday right through the weekend. So we'll check the numbers starting at 4:30. How about that?
All right, sounds good. That is Fox News at 10. Thanks for being with us tonight.
And Dan is up next with Sports Works. Woody's up next.
Yeah.
See now.
How long is this video?